Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video you're about to watch came from a longer stream. In fact, not only is it from a longer stream, but it's got one of the manufacturer reps in there with us. And so it's going to be a little bit different than our normal long form content, so we hope you enjoy.
Okay.
The 29BHL.
Okay.
It's right at 33 foot 4 inches, 8,300 pound dry weight, great carrying capacity as well. This floor plan is set up for families. This floor plan is set up for people who just want more storage in the back. It's
Right.
also set up for folks that maybe need a little office area as well. So I'm going to point that out last.
Office area.
Yeah. I'm going to show you that.
Let me just real quick before we go inside. Again, we're going to cover the outside, guys, real fast. Now, this one does not have the frameless windows, okay? But you can see the awning covers, again, about 2/3 of the side. Big storage up front. You've got the nice rubberized mat here as well, which is great. This is a 4-point electric leveling system.
It is. That is correct.
Okay, here's your outdoor kitchen. Was it Bob who was asking about outdoor kitchens? There you go, buddy.
That was Bob, correct.
Right, got a little flat top griddle, nice little micro fridge. Okay, and let's go inside.
Nice upgraded suspension.
Yep. Oh yeah, upgraded suspension. We didn't see that. Look at that. Yeah, you got your road armor. All right, solid step above step. Oh, look at this. That's interesting. That's kind of neat.
We are ready for anything, Dinette. Why?
Ready for anything.
Because it is absolutely ready for anything. Not only can it make down into a bed, on a rainy day, you've got extra seating.
Why don't you go back that way, Lisa? So
I
you can see the
certainly
dynamic
will.
better.
You've got an awesome little ottoman. It can be used as an ottoman. It's also used as a bench seat. That actually just stays.
Oh, yeah.
It's just clickable.
Yeah.
This opens up with storage there.
Look at that.
Very
This
nice.
actually helps. The reason why this is here, this actually helps turn this into
To a bed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So this table, again, this can move around. You can take it over there, prop your feet up. I love this as a TV tray.
Oh, yeah.
Playing, if you want to play cards, you can sit here and play cards.
Oh, that is fantastic.
That
Use
is
this
awesome.
That is fantastic.
Kitchen prep space. Now you have more kitchen prep space.
That is awesome.
You've got storage. What's
Dude.
we got our cushion? Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Well, we got our Velcro on here too. Like I said, we're still setting everything up.
So storage underneath there is what he was trying to get at.
We do have storage in there. I should try to put my cushions right. You caught us before we set up.
Yeah.
You didn't get me out of the setup. So.
Yeah.
So again, this goes down, and the other great thing is this now will collapse. This turns into a bed. Now forward, you can take it outside and use it as prep
Yeah,
space.
I was going to say that. Yeah, if you're your outdoor kitchen. Bob, you got a table for the outdoors,
Plus the bench.
Plus the countertop space.
which we'll go there in a minute. So we've got our cabinetry above. Right, now, you notice the change in the cabinetry, right? A little bit nicer. We sort of stepped up a little bit, right?
Wristband, yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
So, to the point when we first started the stream, Cougar Sport was created for a very specific reason. There was a hole in the industry, a gap, for sort of an entry-level price point fifth wheel, but yet not sacrificing on stuff.
We took a couple things out to help us get to a certain price point without taking away from the look,
Yeah.
without taking away from the necessity,
Yes.
the main features that are needed.
And so now we've stepped up, and so you see the cabinetry is just slightly better, right? Just different features. Okay, so right next to the dinette is your 2 theater chairs, which are so comfy. There's some electric features, there's USB charging ports. Actually, the whole thing's electric. Isn't
It's actually heat and massage.
Heat and massage.
Yeah, heat and massage.
Are those set up
Shut
on
the front
solar? Are those set up on
They're
solar?
actually not. That's how
Okay.
it's going to be. We have the manual.
Ah,
to release those.
Now, right across from. Oh, go ahead.
This actually comes down with a trifold sofa if you wanted.
Oh, okay.
Even more sleeping if you needed that. But we typically in this segment we typically ship them with
With the
seats.
theater seats. I like it. Yeah. Directly across from me, here, I'll take that from you, Lisa,
All
is sort of your entertainment area. Again, TV right there.
And that will answer Bob's question. He said you just need a TV mount and you're all set.
Yep, it's right there.
It's outside though.
Oh, outside, yeah. And then you got a nice fireplace down there. That's Lisa's favorite.
And look, I can sit on the bench.
I know. And warm her.
Freakishly small cold feet.
Yes, yes. For those joining us, Lisa's got freakishly tiny cold feet.
Freakishly tiny.
But yeah, look, a nice little corner kitchen, right?
Yeah, look at this. And again, all the countertop space. I love it. I'm assuming we have the all Furion appliances again.
Yep.
Furion,
Yep,
yes.
all Furion appliances.
So we've got above the microwave.
Nice.
We've got nice cabinetry. Look, this place is
Yeah, all up above there for little knickknacks and things.
And then there's plenty
And
of space
hard
for
to see,
this.
but that goes all the way back. Here, I'll show
It
you all in there.
does.
Look, it's all the way back in there.
And what I'm curious to find out is is that open here? It is. So that is all the way open.
So that goes all the way back in there too.
It
It's
does.
just all the way back. That's awesome. And there's that also, it's sort of a carbon fiber-y look,
It is.
which is
I like
great.
that,
Nice sink.
yeah. Yep. This has got the 50-50.
Yeah.
So and the separation is recessed, so you can still get in and rinse your big pots
Yeah.
and pans.
I like that.
This is a tough spot for me in this area because 50% of the customers want a single bowl, 50% of the customers want to be able to wash and rinse.
Yes.
So I reached out to a vendor who this middle partition sits lower so that you can get your handles in there for your pots and pans.
I love that.
We love the 50-50 because we do just what you said.
Yes.
We wash and rinse. And so you're not blowing through a lot of water, especially if you're, on a tank, right? If you're not connected somewhere, okay?
Yes, that's a perfect compromise. I love it.
Right, again, nice storage underneath there. Okay. All right, moving forward. Oh, we talked about it, but again, same 12-volt refrigerator. It's just on this side. Okay. All right, moving forward into, well, you know what it is.
It's time for
Tall Man's Toilet Test.
Before I give it back to Lisa, I'll just show you the vanity. All right. Again, nice vanity, nice countertop space. So often, in bathrooms, the vanity's cut off here. This one's got, it's just enough extra to put like I said, a cup and lotions and potions and stuff up there. Same little corner thing with your 3 drawers. So that's the same as the Sport. And now this, Bob, this is a little bit deeper than the last one. This one's about 5 inches deep. Okay. A little bit, the medicine cabinet. Okay. I'm going to give this to Lisa so you can see the position here on the toilet. Again, at my height of 6'4", there is plenty of space, guys. All right. You're not having to move around or, change your position. It's very comfortable. Behind you, place to store your linens. It's a bathroom. It's great to have towels in the bathroom. Right?
Isn't it?
Right? And then the shower. Now, the shower is nice. You got a little bench here in the back, right? It's permanently mounted, right? It's formed in here, so it's not the lift up one, but it's pretty good. Or, if you're shaving your legs, ladies, and you want to do it like that, you could do that, which is great. You also have 3 shelves for, again, shampoos and things. This one is slightly more challenging than the Sport because, as you see, the bubble here is in the back. So I'm going to have to duck a little bit to get under the water to rinse. Not horrible. Not the best for the tallest person, but you see, I just clear it, okay? So take that into consideration, all right? Let's go into the bedroom.
All right.
Now this one is carpeted like the first one that we saw. And, that's on a slide, isn't it?
Yeah, so the difference in why you have a larger shower in the bedroom is on the Cougar half tons, we have an actual wardrobe slide in the bedroom versus
Nice.
the wardrobe being recessed into
Here.
the bathroom.
Okay, all right.
So it allows you for a little bit larger shower with a bench seat, plus 3 huge drawers.
Yeah, they're really good.
That is an impressive size drawer.
Awesome cubby up there too.
Right? I see the cubby.
Yep.
And you've got hanging space. And you can actually hang clothes in there.
Right?
Oh, look at that. You do. Yeah.
Being a tall guy, I got long shirts and they don't hang.
Sure.
I mean, they're sort of folded at the bottom. So
Right.
if I'm wearing something nice and you see all the creases at the bottom, you know why. Everything else is about the same as the other 2 models, right? You got your left and right cabinetry up top as well. The outlets in here are on the inverter, so you can use your CPAPs if you're not connected to power. Residential cleaner, again, the 60
by 74.
by 74.
Just to
So,
give customers more. I don't need an 80
yes,
because I'm not quite as tall,
Yes.
so I'd rather have the.
you have the walking room.
That's
It-
correct.
Again,
do both.
I fight that same question myself, even though I'm a tall guy.
Yeah.
Would I rather have the walk space or a couple extra inches?
That's right.
But you could put the mattress in here if you want.
There is actually enough space in here because some of them, if you put in a residential
touching
size
the
bed,
wall,
you're touching the
Almost touching
wall.
the wall.
But in here, you've got plenty of space, so you actually could
Yeah.
do that and still
You
walk
could
around.
still get by.
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
If you don't mind me going back to the wardrobe, you brought up a great point
Sure.
about how your shirts, because you're
Yeah.
taller, all fold down at the bottom.
Yeah.
This is one of those areas where we listened to the customers because our previous wardrobe slide actually had the drawers built in down at the bottom.
Ah,
And it was hanging space all the way across, and it was just that.
Yeah,
shirts.
it's right here.
So we had some customers. We noticed on some of the Facebook forums they redesigned the whole wardrobe. So we just ran with it and said,
We'll do it.
So we changed it. This is a brand new wardrobe. We changed it basically to mirror what our customers did on their own. We never.
Oh my God, we missed the best part.
We
The office.
did.
Here, let's
Oh.
just stay there for a minute, Lisa.
Okay, all right.
The office.
That's the wild feature.
All right, look at this.
Okay,
It's got an office. Look. It's got an office.
that is a huge space.
So this is just over the last couple of years, there's more and more families that were able to work at the house, maybe go for longer periods of time, and maybe they need just a little bit of an area where they, a little workstation, or even if it's just kids, they want an extra place to maybe video games, game consoles, what have you. It's in here.
Is that a chalkboard?
Chalkboard material. That's it.
What?
Nice.
So you've
And
got
then,
outlets down below.
Yeah, you've even got holes to run your cables down.
yep, there's outlets down below.
So here's what we did. I want to point this out because this is, yes, this converts into a desk, but that's really not what this was.
Here, Lisa. Watch this, guys.
This is the support for the lower bed.
Ready?
This is the support for lower bed. So that's going to be there regardless. We just dressed it up and made it more functional for a desk as well.
Isn't that
That's
awesome?
Yeah.
Is that
You can sleep two here. You can sleep a couple more up here.
That is amazing use of space, guys.
It is, love it.
And it's hard to see because Scott's there, so I'll grab this again. But there's a door over there, so if you're using this for storage, let's say you're in travel mode and this is up in its desk position, you could put bikes in here if you wanted, right?
Coolers, bikes, big chairs.
Yeah,
big
anything.
Chairs, whatever you can fit in there. Plus, it's got a nice telescoping ladder here that just mounts right there as well.
Right there, and then again, you got a little wardrobe area here. Of course, we'll just open it so you can see.
And don't forget, we've got that great bench out here. So in desk mode, you can bring the bench in and have a place to sit in here too.
That's right.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that is just brilliant, guys.
that is really thinking.
What a great new floor plan. Again.